doing a moving out video. Yay!
Yay!
A solid 0% chance that all of this stuff fits in the car. Let me just show you all the random stuff that I have. I have this thing that I have to bring. This, that wall thing. Like there's like a mattress topper in here that I have to bring. All that stuff on the wall. Fan, this tripod, extension cord. And then there's like some stuff in here. Like more just like random stuff in here. This thing here. This. Okay, I have this huge tote right here that I have to bring. I have two suitcases over there. Literally so many clothes. This fan. This laundry basket with all my dirty clothes. Like all these blankets up here.
Can we just show them one thing?
This mirror. All these clothes in here too. So many towels, extra sheets. Like so many pairs of shoes. Tennis racket back there. Another bag. And the projector. And possibly the fish. One suitcase. Oh no, there's 2 cases. This is gonna take ages.
You've done all your finals?
Hmm?
Let me just push my way through the semester.
1 drawer, empty. 20 minutes. It's fine. I didn't know this. But I think. You were talking in.
Did you know the most common cause of cancer death in the United States is lung cancer? Don't vape, ladies and gentlemen.
That's some pro packing right there. Two suitcases done. Okay, this is what we got going on. Over here, I got the 2 suitcases, which are both full of clothes. The chair, panda hat, cone. I have this thing, this. I need to like figure that out. That's all dirty clothes. Still a lot of stuff. This window, I'm not gonna look through this window anymore. That's so sad. Okay, I'm taking all my stuff off the wall. How did you on me? Somehow I need to move the bed like over here. I definitely need to get someone to come lift this. Look, all this stuff up here, literally a full worth of closet space. All this stuff, and this stuff, that bag, these, fish. Welcome!
Welcome.
Welcome to our dorm tour.
This is
Heather and
Ashton. This is room 424.
we have this nice bed here, dresser.
Nice luxurious space.
We got all this.
And we got this nice desk.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
And
This
then,
nice closet.
in the closet comes with a Devo.
Hi guys.
Oh. Prime napping spot. Did you take any good naps in here? Yeah.
I did. I took some great
Did you
naps.
actually? I took so many good naps in here. Alexis, what's your favorite moment in 424?
I think sleeping over. A little sleepover moment.
That was so fun. Ashley, what's your favorite memory in room 424?
I think like our dance party when we sing or the songs on the mic song.
You're a jerk. You're a jerk.
And I think screaming uncontrollably is also really fun. I feel like now that everything's out, I just want to come back and hear it out. Hi, Tyler.
Yo,
Come
guys,
on in.
I just found these pictures.
Dude,
Do you remember these?
Yeah.
Kyler, what's your favorite memory in room 424?
424. Just too many to think of, you know?
Too many.
Just too many. I would say one of my favorites, dude. We did like a movie night in here one night, and that was just really fun. I just remember that very vividly.
Alexa, play. That's so sad. No more Alexa.
Yeah,
No more anything, like nothing.
There's nothing here, bro.
Say we go like 1, 2, 3, 5.
That's so sad. Bye, room 425.